It's so great to be here tonight at this wonderful museum of the American Air Force. So dear host, dear Congressman Turner, thank you very much for having us all together tonight here. Dear members of the House of Congress, dear Secretary General of NATO, dear Mark, dear MPs from the Parliamentary Assembly of NATO, and dear fellow colleagues, dear presidents, dear prime ministers, dear foreign ministers from the region, distinguished colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, it is a distinct honor and a profound privilege to be here today on behalf of Montenegro to mark a date of deep historical significance, not only for Bosnia and Herzegovina, but for the entire Balkan region. As you all know, the Dayton peace agreement brought an end to a devastating conflict, one in which Bosnia bore the heaviest burden. And today, as we gather to commemorate this pivotal moment, we also extend our very sincere gratitude to the United States of America and its representatives, whose decisive engagement was instrumental in forging peace and restoring stability in Bosnia and in the wider Balkan region. Thank you very much. So 3 decades later, time offers us the necessary perspective to reflect on both the achievements and the enduring complexities of the Dayton Peace Agreement. Each of us may carry a unique perspective on its legacy. Yet, I'm confident we can all agree on its fundamental achievement. The Dayton Peace Agreement succeeded in holding the war and laying the initial foundations for peace, coexistence, and cooperation in Bosnia and across the region. However, we also acknowledge that the agreement was not designed to resolve every challenge Bosnia and Herzegovina would face in the years to come. And I would like to take this opportunity to emphasize that the key to addressing all the challenges Bosnia faces today lies in an intensive and bona fide internal dialogue to ensure that Bosnia evolves into a forward-looking state rooted in stability and oriented entirely towards prosperity. Montenegro, as a close friend and a reliable partner to Bosnia, and I'm confident all other countries in the region will continue to sincerely support Bosnia and Herzegovina development and progress with respect to its sovereignty and territorial integrity. Dear friends, Montenegro's accession to NATO in 2017, our most advanced position in the EU accession process, and most importantly, our role as a good neighbor, have strengthened regional stability and cooperation. And now, the Western Balkans stands before a historic opportunity to join the club of progressive European democracies, the club of the European Union. And I'm firmly confident that this opportunity must not be allowed to slip away. To that end, it is imperative that we engage in open dialogue and work jointly to overcome all unresolved issues for the sake of a better, more peaceful and brighter European and Euro-Atlantic future for all of us. Thank you very much.